Hey guys, this is a video showing how to remove the wipers blades for 2011 BMW 328i sedan. So the first thing you have to do is pick up the wiper like this, and there are two levers here in the way. This is the first one. Make sure it's focusing on it. This is the first one, and on the other side you have the other one. Now what you have to do is you have to push this out like this, push it out, and then press this lever on both sides like so, and push this up and out. There you go. And when you get the new wiper blades, just put it back. First put this wiper blade at this angle, right in the slot. This slot goes right here, like so, and then push this thing back, and you hear this audible click. That's it. That's how you change wiper blades for 2011 328i BMW sedan. Thank you.